In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Stripe account ID, whether you're setting up your online store, connecting to a third-party application, or simply need this information for troubleshooting. Knowing how to locate your account ID can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Stripe's website by entering stripe.com into the address bar. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see various options and some engaging visuals about their services. But what you'll want to focus on is finding the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. When prompted, enter the email address and password associated with your Stripe account. It's always a good practice to verify that you're entering the correct login credentials to avoid any hassle later on. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. This will take you to your dashboard, which is essentially the control center for all things Stripe related. Now that you're logged in, look for the Home tab. This can usually be found in the navigation bar at the left side of the screen. Clicking on Home will bring you to a page displaying an overview of your account, including transactions, balances, and more. Next, direct your attention to the Settings option. This is typically represented by a small gear or cog icon, again located in the left navigation bar. Click on Settings to open a range of configuration options for your account. This is where most of the behind the scenes adjustments happen, so it's a good area to familiarize yourself with if you're managing a Stripe account regularly. Within the Settings section, look for and click on Account Settings. This section contains important details about your Stripe account, including business information, user settings, and of course, your account ID. Now find the Business tab, which will provide a sub-selection of settings specifically linked to your business or organization on Stripe. Click on it. As you do, you'll be directed to a page that has all relevant details clearly outlined. Finally, to find your Stripe account ID, scroll until you locate the section typically labeled Account ID. Here, you'll find a unique alphanumeric code. It's a good idea to copy this information and store it securely, as you'll need it for various integrations and setups. To copy, simply highlight it with your cursor, right-click and select Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. And there you have it, a straightforward process to finding your Stripe account ID. With this knowledge, managing your integrations and ensuring everything is connected correctly should be much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process of locating your Stripe account ID clear and simple.